Here we are in the southern Gulf Islands. We have a log cabin that's been here almost 40 years. And we had to bring our Nordica Millie here by boat. There's boat access only here. No roads in or anything else. We bought it last winter. Now it's 7 months later in July and we're installing it. Here's our Millie. First day we started it up. Sitting on 1/2-inch cement board with tile. Heat shield in the back that reduces the distance by 75%. And we're running it on low to break it in during a required period. But it is quite awesome. A couple of features. The door here to the firebox self-closes, which is a nice safety feature. Another feature I like is that the stove top removes just by pulling it off. You just have to remove the chimney and it pulls off. There's no screws or bolts to rust up that cause a lot of problems. We purchased this stove with the warming oven for a number of reasons. First of all, to keep things warm like pancakes or bacon. Secondly, for storage. Thirdly, it's a nice backstop so things don't fall off the back behind the stove. And lastly, it's just plain beautiful. The chimney warms up the inside through this little box here. And the only downside is the chimney takes up a little space on the surface. We're very happy with this. It replaced our old oval stove, which was very inefficient. We had it for about 30 years. We expect to cut down wood consumption by half with this thing. Found the fit, finish, design, and engineering excellent on this. And all of the material seems to be of very high quality. So we're going to be pretty happy with this. I'd like to thank all those who posted videos on this site, which helped us in our decision to purchase this. And also thank Eugene at Wood Cook Stoves. He was a real help in picking this out and shipping it and everything else. So yeah, great stove.